Hi friends, so today I'll be reviewing my top 5 nude lipsticks with you guys, and these lipsticks are mostly on the pink mauve tone because I generally attract more towards that undertone and it does not look pale or washed out. So if you are a brown skin tone girl, or if you are dusky, a bit dusky also, then I think most of these lipsticks will suit you, and even the fair skin tones obviously can pick any one of them. So all the lipsticks here are very comfortable and they range from very low to very high, the pricing. So I'll start from the lowest one out of the five here. The first one here is from the range from the brand Colorbar, and this in particular is shade Bear 58. Okay, so this is from their velvet matte lipstick range, and this cost around 350 rupees, which is quite reasonable. And for the quantity that you get, which is 4.2 gram, I think the quantity is very nice because, and it will last you quite long time. And talking about the packaging now, let's talk about the packaging. It is not a very sturdy bottle. You can see that it might come off in your bag, so you'll have to be cautious of that. But overall, if you want to use it regularly, then I think this is quite a good deal for the price that you pay. Now talking about the shade, this is a pink mauve pink nude, which is not very pale or washed out. It is very rich, it is a very rich color. So if you can see, I've used a lot of this product and I use it every day, almost every day, and it is not drying on the lips. So let me just swatch it for you. If you can see, you'll have to glide 2 or 3 times for the pigment because it is not very pigmented, but this shade is very pretty, guys. This is a very pink nude which will suit most of the Indian skin tones out there, and you won't feel dry or uncomfortable on the lips. It will almost feel like a creamy lipstick. It is quite creamy, and it also has jojoba oil and vitamin E, so you won't have to worry about dry or patchy lips, and it won't settle on your cracks. So it will give you a very smooth, luxurious, healthy skin like finish. And I've been using it personally, and I can assure you that you won't regret buying this product. So if you are someone who loves it, then please do check it out. I'll link the exact pricing and everything in the description box below, so you can check that out as well. The second one here is my favorite out of the five that I have here. This is from the brand Faces Canada. This is their Ultim Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer lipstick, and it retails for 750 rupees, I guess, and you get a net volume of 1.4 gram, which I know is not much, and it might finish very quick, but then the packaging and other things are will compensate for the price. So this is in the shade Magnetic 02, and the packaging is very nice. Like, it is very travel friendly. You won't have to worry about it opening up in your bag or anything like that. And the cap in itself is quite sturdy, if you couldn't see that. And plus it is a retractable pencil, so you don't have to worry about carrying a sharpener along with it. And the tip is so thin. If you can see, the tip is so thin that it will get into the lines of your lips very easily, and you can get that perfect lipstick. And talking about this shade in particular, this shade is a very beautiful shade. I've talked about it in my previous video. This is a perfect nude that any girl would dream of. Now let me just show it. It is a perfect mix of pink and nude color, and if you could see, it glided on very smoothly. So and it is very pigmented, so you won't have to glide it again and again to get that pigment. Plus it is very hydrating. So like other liquid lipsticks tends to set on the cracks and feels very dry and uncomfortable, right? But once you apply this, it won't enhance your patchiness or cracks, and plus it has high coverage. So if you have patchy lips, then it will cover that and also will give you hydration and feels very very comfortable on the lips. So I can swear by that this is the best formula that I have used till date, and for the price that you pay, the quantity and everything is very nice. Okay, and the plus the shade is a perfect nude and it won't look washed out or anything like that. Now coming down to the third product here, this is again from the brand Faces Canada. So this is their Ultim Pro matte lips crayon. This is in the shade Divine Rose 14. Okay, and this retails for I guess 700 or 750 like that. I'll link down the exact price, and it comes in a net volume of 2.8 gram, so it is quite better than the retractable one, but and it comes with a free sharpener, this one. Sorry for the mess. And so this shade is a very beautiful shade. This is in a pink nude color, and this is like an everyday lipstick that you can wear every day, like for a brunch date or for a meeting with friends, and for a casual outfit I think it will suit you. And the formula again is almost the same, and these lipsticks settle down to powder matte finish and looks very matte. It won't look glossy or shiny at all. And but this one is quite messy, talking about the packaging, because the cap tends to get quite messy and you'll have to be very cautious while putting it back, and it might reopen in your bag as well. It has happened with me, so you'll have, that is the only demerit. Otherwise, pricing wise, I think this shade is also very pretty and you can definitely check this out. Now talking about the fourth lipstick that I have here, this is from the brand Nykaa. This is their Mattelicious lip crayon, and this is in the shade Lacy Luck 10. Okay, so this shade is quite famous on YouTube, and so I thought of giving it a try. So I ordered it from Nykaa and it retails for 700 I guess, and you can generally get it on discounts as well. So the net volume is 2.8 gram, which is again a very nice quantity. And it also comes with a sharpener, which I have unfortunately lost, so I use this Faces sharpener in place of that, and it works fine. So talking about the packaging, it is a very nice jet black packaging, and the shade of this lipstick matches the crayon. So the packaging matches the crayon, and it is very easy to pick up from your bag, like that. So it won't come off in your bag or anything. It is quite travel friendly as well, but it tends to get a bit messy, if you can see. So that is it. And now this shade is more on the orange tone, so it has an orange undertone. It is not pink. Okay, so let me swatch it. So if you can see, it is quite a orange rusty nude, a perfect nude actually for an Indian girl, and won't look pale. It will enhance and it will almost instantly brighten up your lipstick. You can always mix it up with other lipsticks as well, and it will give that nude feel to any bright lipstick as well. So you can tone down any bright lipstick like red lipstick or anything with using this lipstick. I usually do that. So overall, if you are someone who's looking for rusty orange nude lipstick, then please do try this Lacy Luck. The shade is very very pretty, and I can assure you that you won't regret buying this product. So that was Nykaa Mattelicious lipstick. Now the most expensive one out of the 5 here is from the brand Kiko Milano. So someone gifted it to me, and I've been attached, like hooked to this lipstick since then. This retails for 1200 I guess, and this in particular is in the shade is in the shade Velvet Passion. Okay, so the cap is very nice. The packaging is like very very sturdy. It has a magnetic closure, and the lip shade is this lip shade is again a very comfortable creamy lipstick. So it is not at all drying or patchy lipstick, and it is very comfortable for daily use. So I use it often for like daily purpose. And let me swatch it. If you can see, it is again a pink nude lipstick that I've already mentioned, and this shade is, I think the pink has the pinkest overall color than out of the five that I have. This is the pinkest one, and it is a very cute everyday lipstick, that you can wear for like casual outfits and everything, anything like that. And the formula is very very comfortable on the lips. You won't have to apply any lip balm or anything, and you won't have to worry about dry lips. And I personally have dry lips, so you can see that all the five lipstick that I've mentioned are more on the comfortable creamy matte finish kind of a lipsticks, and all of them will settle down to matte finish, so none of them will look none of them will look glossy or shiny or anything as such. So I think those were the swatches of the lipsticks, and if you want to try any one of them, then I'll link down the products below. And most of these lipsticks are will transfer onto the products, like onto your t-shirt or anything, because these are quite creamy, so you can see that it will transfer. These are not transfer proof because since they are creamy and moisturizing, so that is the reason. Now let me just show you. This is, I have added some micellar water in this cotton to show you if this leave a stain or not after removing. So the first one does leave a stain. The others I don't think will leave much of a stain. So if you can see, the lipsticks do not leave a stain or anything like that, and these are very easy to remove as well, so you won't have to rub it off very vigorously, and will give you a healthy finish as well. So if you want to try these lipsticks out, then please do try, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. And if you want any more reviews as such, then please comment down below. And that is it for today's video. I think I'll see you in the next video. Bye.